Surah Swad. This surah is Meccan, containing 5 sections and 88 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
صاد والقرآن ذي الذكر.
Sword. By the Quran, which consists of advice.
بل الذين كفروا في عزة وشقاق.
But the disbelievers are in arrogance and conflict.
كم أهلكنا من قبلهم من قرن فنادوا ولا حين مناص.
So many generations have we destroyed. They called out even though there was no time to escape.
وعجبوا أن جاءهم منذر منهم وقال الكافرون هذا ساحر كذاب.
And they were surprised by this, that a warner came to them from among them, and the disbelievers said, "This is a sorcerer, a great liar."
أجعل الآلهة إلها واحدا إن هذا لشيء عجاب.
Has he made many gods one God? This is a very strange matter.
وانطلق الملأ منهم أن امشوا واصبروا على آلهتكم إن هذا لشيء يراد.
And the chiefs among them walked away, saying, "O people, you walk away too and be firm upon believing in your gods. In this matter there is certainly something intended."
ما سمعنا بهذا في الملة الآخرة إن هذا إلا اختلاق.
We did not hear of this in the last religion, i.e., Christianity. This is only a fabrication.
أأنزل عليه الذكر من بيننا بل هم في شك من ذكري بل لما يذوقوا عذاب.
Has the remembrance, Quran, been sent down upon him among us? Rather, they are in doubt concerning my book. In fact, they have not yet tasted my punishment.
أم عندهم خزائن رحمة ربك العزيز الوهاب.
Do they have the treasures of the mercy of your most exalted, most bestowing Lord?
أم لهم ملك السماوات والأرض وما بينهما فليرتقوا في الأسباب.
Or do they have the kingdom of the heavens and the earth and all that lies between them? Then let them ascend with ropes.
جند ما هنالك مهزوم من الأحزاب.
A humiliated army among groups that shall be defeated here.
كذبت قبلهم قوم نوح وعاد وفرعون ذو الأوتاد.
The nation of Nuh denied before them, and so did Ad and Pharaoh, the possessor of spikes.
وثمود وقوم لوط وأصحاب الأيكة أولئك الأحزاب.
And Thamud and the nation of Lut and the people of Acre. These are the groups.
إن كل إلا كذب الرسل فحق عقاب.
All of them denied the messengers, so my retribution became necessary.
وما ينظر هؤلاء إلا صيحة واحدة ما لها من فواق.
And these people are waiting for a piercing cry for which there is no deferral.
وقالوا ربنا عجل لنا قطنا قبل يوم الحساب.
And they said, O our Lord, grant us our share quickly before the day of reckoning.
اصبر على ما يقولون واذكر عبدنا داود ذا الأيد إنه أواب.
Bear with patience what they say, and remember our chosen one, Dawood, the possessor of blessings. Indeed, he is one who often returns to us.
إنا سخرنا الجبال معه يسبحن بالعشي والإشراق.
We made the mountains submit with him. They glorify Allah by evening and sunrise.
والطير محشورة كل له أواب.
And the birds gathered, all were obedient to him.
وشددنا ملكه وآتيناه الحكمة وفصل الخطاب.
And we strengthened his kingdom, and we endowed him with wisdom and decisive judgment.
وهل أتاك نبأ الخصم إذ تسوروا المحراب.
And did news come to you of the claimants when they climbed over the wall and entered the prayer chamber?
إذ دخلوا على داود ففزع منهم قالوا لا تخف خصمان بغى بعضنا على بعض فاحكم بيننا بالحق ولا تشطط واهدنا إلى سواء الصراط.
When they approached Dawood, he was in awe of them. They said, Fear not, we are two claimants. One of us has transgressed against the other. So judge between us with the truth and do not oppose the truth, and guide us to the straight path.
إن هذا أخي له 99 نعجة ولي نعجة واحدة فقال أكفلنيها وعزني في الخطاب.
Indeed, this is my brother. He has 99 ewes, and I have a single ewe. Now he says, Give it to me. And he has compelled me through speech.
قال لقد ظلمك بسؤال نعجتك إلى نعاجه وإن كثيرا من الخلطاء ليبغي بعضهم على بعض إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وقليل ما هم. وظن داود أنما فتناه فاستغفر ربه وخر راكعا وأناب.
He said, He has certainly transgressed against you by asking to join your ewe with his ewes. Surely many partners wrong each other except the believers and those who do virtuous deeds, and they are very few. And Dawood understood that we had tested him, so he sought forgiveness from his Lord, and fell prostrate and returned.
فغفرنا له ذلك وإن له عندنا لزلفى وحسن مآب.
So we forgave him for that. In our court there is certainly nearness and an excellent abode for him.
يا داود إنا جعلناك خليفة في الأرض فاحكم بين الناس بالحق ولا تتبع الهوى فيضلك عن سبيل الله إن الذين يضلون عن سبيل الله لهم عذاب شديد بما نسوا يوم الحساب.
O Dawood, we have made you a vicegerent, i.e. Khalifa in the earth. So judge between the people with the truth and do not follow desires, lest it should cause you to deviate from the way of Allah. Those who deviated from the way of Allah, there is severe punishment for them as they forgot the day of reckoning.
وما خلقنا السماء والأرض وما بينهما باطلا ذلك ظن الذين كفروا فويل للذين كفروا من النار.
We did not create the sky and the earth and all that lies between them without purpose. This is the thinking of the disbelievers. So woe to the disbelievers from the fire.
أم نجعل الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات كالمفسدين في الأرض أم نجعل المتقين كالفجار.
Will we make those who believe and do righteous deeds like those who spread discord in the earth? Will we make the pious like the disobedient?
كتاب أنزلناه إليك مبارك ليدبروا آياته وليتذكر أولو الألباب.
An auspicious book which we have sent down to you, that people may reflect upon its verses and the intelligent may attain advice.
ووهبنا لداود سليمان نعم العبد إنه أواب.
And we gave Suleiman to Dawood. What an excellent individual he is. He is one who often returns to us.
إذ عرض عليه بالعشي الصافنات الجياد.
When such horses were presented to him in the evening that stood upon 3 legs and touched the ground with the edge of the 4th hoof, exceptionally swift,
فقال إني أحببت حب الخير عن ذكر ربي حتى توارت بالحجاب.
Then he, Suleiman, said, Indeed, I have preferred the love of horses for the remembrance of my Lord. Then he commanded them to go, until they disappeared from sight behind a veil.
ردوها علي فطفق مسحا بالسوق والأعناق.
Then he commanded, Bring them back to me. Then he began to stroke their shins and necks.
ولقد فتنا سليمان وألقينا على كرسيه جسدا ثم أناب.
And we certainly tested Suleiman, and we placed a lifeless body upon his throne. Then he returned to us.
قال رب اغفر لي وهب لي ملكا لا ينبغي لأحد من بعدي إنك أنت الوهاب.
He said, O my Lord, forgive me and grant me a kingdom that does not befit anyone after me. Indeed, you are the most bestowing.
فسخرنا له الريح تجري بأمره رخاء حيث أصاب.
So we granted him control over the wind. It would travel gently with his command, wherever he wanted it to reach.
والشياطين كل بناء وغواص.
And the jinn, every builder and diver.
وآخرين مقرنين في الأصفاد.
And the others bound in shackles.
هذا عطاؤنا فامنن أو أمسك بغير حساب.
This is our bestowal, so bestow favour or withhold, without accountability upon you.
وإن له عندنا لزلفى وحسن مآب.
In our court there is nearness and an excellent abode for him.
واذكر عبدنا أيوب إذ نادى ربه أني مسني الشيطان بنصب وعذاب.
And remember our chosen one, Ayub, when he called upon his Lord, Satan has afflicted me with pain and torment.
اركض برجلك هذا مغتسل بارد وشراب.
We said, strike the ground with your foot. This is a cool spring for bathing and drinking.
ووهبنا له أهله ومثلهم معهم رحمة منا وذكرى لأولي الألباب.
And we granted him his family again, and their equivalent with them as mercy from us, and advice for the people of intelligence.
وخذ بيدك ضغثا فاضرب به ولا تحنث إنا وجدناه صابرا نعم العبد إنه أواب.
And hold a broom in your hand, then strike with it, and do not break the oath. We found him to be patient. What an excellent individual he is. He is one who often returns to us.
واذكر عبادنا إبراهيم وإسحاق ويعقوب أولي الأيدي والأبصار.
Remember our people Ibrahim, Ishaq and Yaqub, possessors of might and insight.
إنا أخلصناهم بخالصة ذكر الدار.
We specified them through a pure word. It is the remembrance of the abode in the hereafter.
وإنهم عندنا لمن المصطفين الأخيار.
And indeed to us, they are certainly among the exceptional chosen ones.
واذكر إسماعيل واليسع وذا الكفل وكل من الأخيار.
Remember Ismail, Al-Yasa and Dhul-Kifl, and all are exceptional individuals.
هذا ذكر وإن للمتقين لحسن مآب.
This is advice. There is an excellent abode for the pious.
جنات عدن مفتحة لهم الأبواب.
Gardens of residence, all doors of which are open for them.
متكئين فيها يدعون فيها بفاكهة كثيرة وشراب.
Reclining therein and asking for many fruits and drinks.
وعندهم قاصرات الطرف أتراب.
And they will have wives who look upon none other than their husband of the same age.
هذا ما توعدون ليوم الحساب.
This is that which you are promised for the day of reckoning.
إن هذا لرزقنا ما له من نفاد.
This is our sustenance. There is no depletion for it.
هذا وإن للطاغين لشر مآب.
This, and there is a terrible abode for the transgressors.
جهنم يصلونها فبئس المهاد.
Hell, they will enter it. So what an evil resting place it is.
هذا فليذوقوه حميم وغساق.
This, let them taste it, boiling water and pus.
وآخر من شكله أزواج.
And other punishments of a similar nature.
هذا فوج مقتحم معكم لا مرحبا بهم إنهم صالوا النار.
The leaders shall be told, "This is another army sinking with you." The leaders will say, "There is no welcome for them. They are entering the fire."
قالوا بل أنتم لا مرحبا بكم أنتم قدمتموه لنا فبئس القرار.
They, the followers, will say, "Rather, there is no welcome for you. You have brought this calamity upon us. So what an evil abode it is."
قالوا ربنا من قدم لنا هذا فزده عذابا ضعفا في النار.
They, the followers, will say, "O our Lord, whosoever brought this calamity upon us, double his punishment in the fire."
وقالوا ما لنا لا نرى رجالا كنا نعدهم من الأشرار.
And they, the disbelievers, will say, "What is the matter with us that we do not see the men whom we had considered to be among the wicked?
أتخذناهم سخريا أم زاغت عنهم الأبصار.
Did we take them in mockery or have eyes swerved away from them?
إن ذلك لحق تخاصم أهل النار.
This mutual disputing of the people of the fire is true.
قل إنما أنا منذر وما من إله إلا الله الواحد القهار.
Say, "I am only a warner, and there is no God but Allah, the one, the predominant.
رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما العزيز الغفار.
Lord of the heavens and the earth and all that lies between them, the most exalted, the most forgiving."
قل هو نبأ عظيم.
Say, "It is a great message.
أنتم عنه معرضون.
You have turned away from it.
ما كان لي من علم بالملأ الأعلى إذ يختصمون.
I had no knowledge of the highest realm when they were disputing.
إن يوحى إلي إلا أنما أنا نذير مبين.
It is only revealed to me that I am but a clear warner.
إذ قال ربك للملائكة إني خالق بشرا من طين.
when your Lord said to the angels, I am about to make a human being from clay.
فإذا سويته ونفخت فيه من روحي فقعوا له ساجدين.
So when I have formed him completely and blown into him a special soul of mine, then fall into prostration to him.
فسجد الملائكة كلهم أجمعون.
So all the angels prostrated together,
إلا إبليس استكبر وكان من الكافرين.
except Iblis, i.e. Satan. He resorted to arrogance and became among the disbelievers.
قال يا إبليس ما منعك أن تسجد لما خلقت بيدي أستكبرت أم كنت من العالين.
He, Allah, said, O Iblis, what has prevented you from prostrating before that which I created with my hands? Have you resorted to arrogance, or were you always among the conceited?
قال أنا خير منه خلقتني من نار وخلقته من طين.
He said, I am better than him. You created me from fire and you created him from clay.
قال فاخرج منها فإنك رجيم.
He said, Begone from it, i.e. paradise. Indeed, you are accursed.
وإن عليك لعنتي إلى يوم الدين.
My curse is upon you until the day of judgment.
قال رب فأنظرني إلى يوم يبعثون.
He said, O my Lord, grant me respite until the day they shall be raised.
قال فإنك من المنظرين.
He, Allah, said, Indeed, you are among those granted respite.
إلى يوم الوقت المعلوم.
Until the day of a specified time.
قال فبعزتك لأغوينهم أجمعين.
He said, By your honor, I shall most definitely misguide them all.
إلا عبادك منهم المخلصين.
Except those among them who are your chosen ones.
قال فالحق والحق أقول.
He, Allah, said, So the truth is from me, and I only state the truth.
لأملأن جهنم منك وممن تبعك منهم أجمعين.
And I shall most definitely fill hell with you and with all those who are your followers from them.
قل ما أسألكم عليه من أجر وما أنا من المتكلفين.
Say, I do not ask you for any recompense for it, and I am not among the fabricators.
إن هو إلا ذكر للعالمين.
This is only advice for the inhabitants of the worlds.
وَلَتَعْلَمُنَّ نَبَأَهُ بَعْدَ حِينٍ.
And you shall most definitely come to know its news after a while.